we need to understand something about this, that greater growth leads to a greater life, which enable us to perform greater service to the greatest Lord of our life. You know, if it's no longer debatable sa imo kag sa akon that you and me are being created by God. Therefore, if we believe that we are being created by God, so we understood that the Creator really needs you to worship Him and to serve Him. The reason why we are being created so that we as creatures should serve the one that creates us. So that's the purpose of why we are here today. And that's the purpose kung nga nagatrabaho ka, naganegosyo ka, nag-eskwela ka, or sometimes God allows certain challenges and circumstances that even it seems like you are asking God, take all this problem, take all these challenges, pero never pa nga na-feel mo nga daging kuha sa imo sang Ginoo. For the very purpose that even in that challenges, you're going to serve God. In what way? And that's the reason why we need to understand something about mag-alagad. Because God created us to serve Him. Not just to serve our own purpose, in our own dream, in our own desire. Colossians chapter 3, beginning verse 23 to 24, in the New Life Version. And it says, whatever you do, or whatever work you do, do it with all your heart. Do it for the Lord and not for men. Remember in verse 24 that you will get your reward from the Lord and He will give you what you should receive. You are working for the Lord Christ. So don't you realize that the reason why God allows you for some certain positions, certain resources connected to a particular group, a particular church, institution. You are being placed maybe in the workplace, maybe in the business center, maybe you are placed in a particular schools for the very purpose that you need to serve God. Paano na sa matabo? Tanda natin utod. The best that we have in life is to have greater life. It is actually a summation of what we have underscore from the very month of 2024 January up to December about the greater theme, because you know the outcome of the greater theme is the greater life. So sa kada bulan dapat maintindihan naton ang mga emphasis sang mga kapahayagan about the greater things nga dapat maintindihan ta kag makabuhi ta sa aton pagpangabuhi. Because God never miss something about why He allows you nga nagtrabaho ka, nga nagdegosyo ka, nga nag-eskwela ka, nga may pamilya ka, nga ari ka sa siyudad sang Cadiz, nga ari ka sa New Life Cadiz, or why is it sometimes He allows any problems and challenges not to make you miserable, but rather to let the glory of God shine upon you. And that people may know that the one that is in you is greater than any circumstances, than any problem, than any works, than anything that sometimes stops you of doing and showing and performing what is for God. Now, greater growth leads to a greater life. The more kita nagatubo, tanda natin, I am not emphasizing about the height that we are desiring. But you know, deep within, God wants you to grow in the knowledge of Him. God wants you to grow of understanding why you are being positioned, why you are being placed, and why you are such a blessed in terms of intelligence, in terms of talents or abilities or families or resources. We are being blessed, any one of us, for such a purpose of serving Him above all our desires and purpose, of course, sa personal lang natin ng interest, but rather unto God. The more kita nga ginabless ni Lord, the more kita nagatubo in our understanding, the more we have that kind of greater life nga dapat mas ma-appreciate natin. So, which enable us to perform greater service. So, the more we grow in the grace of God, of our knowledge and understanding, the more it enables us to perform greater service.